Hi everyone, my name is ECCLISIA. My register number is URK23CS1120. Today we are going to see the ninth experiment, which is clustering of data using K-means clustering technique. Let's move on to the question part. The first question, we are going to use the columns age and annual income as the input variable. The coding is, first we are going to import the Panda library for data manipulation. Then we are going to read the CSV file, which is given our mall customer.csv. Then we are going to select only the age and the annual income columns for use as input variable. Then we are going to print. We are using dot head command to print the first five rows of the data set. Then the second question is to compute the optimal number of cluster K from 1 to 10 using elbow method. Here first we are going to initialize an empty list to store within cluster sum of squares for each k. Then we are using for loop over cluster to count from 1 to 10. Then we are initializing the k-means for K cluster. Then we are using flit command to flits the model to the selected input variables. Then we are using append. Uh, here the append here it appends the WCSS initial value for each k. Then we are going to print the WCSS values. Here are the values. Then the third question is to plot the graph between number of clusters K and within some clusters sum of squares WCSS values. First, we are going to plot the range is 1 to 10, which will consider as 1 to 11, which will consider as 1 to 10. Then the is pointing marker pointer is it is considered as circle. Then the title we are here using is elbow plot. The X label is considered as cluster K and the Y label is considered as WCSS. Then here we are using the show of command to print the output. Next question is to perform the K-means clustering with the selected optimal K. Here, sorry. Here we are going to set the optimal cluster count with the chosen number after observing the elbow plot. Then we are considering as 5. Then we are initializing the k-means with optimal k. Then we are fitting the model and we are assigning the cluster labels to each data points. Then we are printing the cluster labels. Here are the cluster labels. Then the next question is to display the cluster centroids. The command for centroids is cluster dot centers is the command to print the centroids. Then we are printing the centroids values. Here are the centroids values. Then we next question is to visualize the data representation for k-means clustering. Here we are going to plots. We are going to use the scatter plot to plot the age, annual income. So here is the age, and here is the annual income, which is considered age is considered as a X label, and the annual income is considered as a Y label. Then the title is K means clustering, and we are using the show of command to print the output. The next question and the final question is to change the value of K in K-means with different values and tabulate the performance metrics such as Seoul-Knight score and Davis-Bowden score obtained. We need to fill out the table. So we are using first we are initializing an empty result list. Then we are using for loop for K equal to optimal plus I, which will increases till range for which will be I plus 1, I plus 2, I plus 3, and I. Then here for the labels we are using the model uh, computing the clusters. Then here the sil dot score, we are just calculating the skelet score, and db dot underscore score, we are calculating the Davis Bowden score, and we are using the append command to store the results in the table. Then here are the values which need to be printed are K value, skelet score, and Davis Bowden score, and we are using the print command to print the tabular column. Thank you.